How to create a Ticketmaster account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Ticketmaster application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, you want to go ahead and simply tap on My Account. And inside My Account, you'll then be able to find Sign In option. Go ahead and tap onto it, then tap on Continue. And just like so, go ahead and simply fill in your email address and then tap on continue. After you do that, you'll then be able to find this kind of interface in your screen. You want to go ahead and simply verify your account details. For that, tap on verify my email. Once you tap on verify my email, a verification code will be sent to you on your email address. You want to go ahead and type in the verification code right over here and then confirm the code. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on add my phone, and just like so, add your phone, and then a verification code will be sent to you on your phone as well. Go ahead and type in your phone and then tap on add number. And just like that, once both verifications are done, you want to go ahead and tap on done to finish setting up your account. And just like that, you will then be able to create a Ticketmaster account. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.